Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 6. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad at Bera Foundation College Naushar Feroz. Dear students, today we are going to learn about some features in Home tab, and topic of today's lecture is bulleted feature. So dear student, bulleted feature is used to type a text in bulleted form. So sometime you want to type some text or document and you want to type some lines that requires the numbers. Okay dear students. So bulleted feature is used to start a bulleted list, and here you will have to click on the bulleted list, and dear students, different samples of bulleted features are available in this menu. So dear students, when you will go to the bulleted feature and you will click on bullets. So when you will click on bullets, a menu will appear in front of you displaying the different symbols that are used in bulleted feature. For example, when you will apply on this greater than sign. Okay dear students. Dear students, you will go to the Home tab and you will click on bullets and a menu is appeared. Here you see that different samples of bullets are present here. So if you want to select greater than symbol and type your sentence, so your sentence will be typed in this feature. And if you want to select this feature, your sentences will be typed in this manner. For example, you type I study in BFC Naushar Feroz. Okay, and you will press enter key. Second sentence will be started. For example, you type it is located on the road that leads to Padiran. Okay, when your sentence is completed, you will press enter key. Second sentence will be started in bulleted feature, and you will type any sentence about your topic. For example, you can type about your school or college. One sentence you have typed I study in BFC Naushar Feroz. Second sentence you will have typed it is located on the road that leads to Padiran. Third, when you will Complete your sentence and press enter key. Second one sentence will be started in bulleted feature and you type that the environment of my college is the best. Okay, dear student. So these symbols that are used in each sentence are known as the bulleted numbers or bulleted feature. So dear students, for example, you want to change your bulleted formation of your sentence of your text, you will select all your material, all your sentences that you have typed and go to the home tab and press numbering from the bulleted feature. So dear students, if you want to insert numbers in your sentences, you will click on the numbering library and different numbers are available in this library and you can select any type of the numbers that you want to assign in your text. For example, you want to click on this list of numbers, your text will be in this formation. And if you want to change this, formation, similarly you will click on the numbers, and if you want to write or type your sentences in English alphabet, you will click on ABC feature. If you want to type your sentences in Roman numbers, you will click on the numbering library and go to the Roman numbers. Okay, dear students. So dear students, today's our lecture is based on the bulleted feature and your lectures is ended here. Your homework is that type 5 to 8 sentences in bulleted feature and give different bulleted formations to your text and send me your typed text on our WhatsApp group. Your lecture is ended here and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 6.